If you want to learn how to screenshot on Squarespace the easy way, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple method to capture a clean screenshot of your Squarespace design without the extra editor clutter, background grids, or block borders getting in the way. This is super useful if you want to save a section of your website, share a design mockup, or grab a polished image for feedback or content creation. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more quick website and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace editor and go to the page or section you want to capture. At the top right corner of the site preview screen, look for the diagonal arrow icon. This is the hide sidebar or preview button. Click that icon and Squarespace will expand your layout to full screen. This step is important because it removes the extra editor panels and gives you a much cleaner view of your design. Once your layout is in full screen, you should no longer see the background grids, block outlines, or menu panels that normally appear while editing. Now that your design is clean and visible, it's time to take the screenshot. On Windows, press Windows key, Shift, and S at the same time. Your screen will dim and turn gray, which means the snipping tool is active. From there, click and drag your mouse to draw a box around the exact Squarespace block or area you want to capture. Try to frame it carefully so you only include the part of the design you need. As soon as you release the mouse, the screenshot is copied to your clipboard. That means you can paste it directly into another app, document, chat, or design tool. Depending on your Windows settings, you may also see a notification that lets you save the screenshot as an image file. If that appears, click it to open the snip and save it wherever you want. If you need a cleaner result, take your time with the selection and make sure your browser zoom is set the way you want before you snip. A full screen preview gives you the best chance of capturing a professional looking image without editor distractions. This is especially helpful when you're documenting a layout, showing a client your design, or collecting screenshots for tutorials and reports. So to recap, first hide the Squarespace sidebar using the diagonal arrow preview button, then use Windows key, Shift, and S to snip the area you want. That's the fastest way to screenshot on Squarespace while keeping your image clean and focused. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tips and step-by-step website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.